The next breakthrough in advanced manufacturing and engineering. In Derry, Londonderry, we've developed a blueprint for it. We start with a can-do attitude and a determination to make our mark. Because Northern Ireland is home to the people who invented the ejector seat, the modern tractor, and the pneumatic tyre. To our rich heritage of innovation, we add a real commitment to harnessing digital technologies for the future of industry. Result? A sector that in recent years has grown almost 3 times faster than in the rest of the UK.
We're using new collaborative robotics to develop self-guiding mobile robots, and they will give manufacturers the ultimate flexibility in machine tending. Using advanced navigation and work instruction algorithms, these robots bridge the automation gap for hazardous environments, allowing for easy integration into current business processes and systems.
Breakthroughs happen everywhere in Derry, Londonderry. At our world-class university, offering industry-focused courses at undergraduate and postgraduate level, including a new Masters in Smart Manufacturing. At the Centre for Industrial Digitalisation, Robotics and Automation. And at the Centre for Engineering and Renewable Energy, working at the cutting edge of advanced manufacturing, automation and digital communication processes. Breakthroughs are happening too at international companies, such as Seagate, Terex and DuPont, and indigenous companies such as Fast Technologies and EI Engineering. We offer incentives and practical support to associations and event organisers, along with unique venues and authentic cultural experiences to help inspire your next breakthrough. And in this compact region on your doorstep, where the Wild Atlantic Way meets the Causeway Coastal Route, that's a breakthrough that could happen here, or even here. That's why your advanced manufacturing business event belongs here in Derry, Londonderry.